Do you want your photos to feel more than just pretty? Today, I'll share my best expert tips and tricks to help you create photos that connect with people and make them feel something. Let's dive in. Before you even pick up your camera or phone, think, is it about joy, solitude, a busy city vibe? A clear concept will guide your choices, from location to colors to posing. Remember, a photo without a clear idea is just a snapshot. A photo with intention becomes a story. Composition is like your storytelling grammar. Use leading lines like roads, fences, or shadows to guide the viewer to your subject. Framing, using windows, arches, or trees, makes your subject stand out and adds depth. And remember the rule of thirds. Placing your subject off-center creates a more dynamic, story-like feel. Light is emotion. Soft light can make a photo feel calm or dreamy, while harsh shadows can add mystery or drama. Think about golden hour for warm, nostalgic stories, or use backlight to create silhouettes, perfect for stories about mystery or adventure. Controlling light is one of the most powerful ways to direct your audience's emotions. So, instead of those stiff posed photos, try encouraging a bit of movement or interaction. Ask your subject to walk, laugh, or, just interact with something, maybe fixing their hair or looking away for a moment. Real moments, honestly, they create the most authentic stories, and sometimes it's those imperfect, candid shots that people connect with most deeply. Your background is part of your story. A cluttered background can distract, while a simple one can make your subject shine. Details matter. A stray cup, a messy table, or distracting colors can break the story. Always scan the frame carefully before you click. Colors evoke emotion. Warm tones like yellows and oranges create feelings of warmth and happiness. Cool tones such as blues and greens feel calm or sometimes even a bit lonely. Even in editing, think, what colors support my story? Don't be afraid to experiment, because color is honestly one of your most powerful storytelling tools. If you're sharing multiple photos like in a carousel, think of them as scenes in a movie. Start with a strong opening shot, add supporting images to build the narrative, and finish with a closing image. This keeps people engaged and invested in your visual story. Storytelling is what transforms a good photo into an unforgettable one. Which of these tips will you try first? Drop a comment below. And hey, if you want more in-depth photography tips, don't forget to like, save, and follow for weekly lessons that will level up your photography game.